Hey, greetings, friends. We're at a spectacular home up in northeast Henderson County, and this is the epitome of luxury living, I think, out in the country. And I'm so pleased to be with one of my fellow associates at Keller Williams Mountain Partners. I want to introduce you to Shayla Higgins.
Hi there.
This is her listing and having a wonderful time working with her clients that are in Florida that are looking to pass this along to somebody else. So take a look at this, and I think you're just going to love this wonderful combination. It's in a cabin style, but you got this nice bounce in here. Just really finely done home. And Shayla, we're just short of an acre and about 3,500 square feet, is that right?
Yes, and it has 3 levels, and the main level is for the primary, and then there is a bottom level with plenty of space for a whole nother family down there, and then there's a 3rd level which it has a master suite with a ensuite bathroom and another loft area, so it's plenty of space for everyone to gather.
Yeah, it is a spectacular home, and I think you're going to enjoy this, everybody.
Welcome to 112 Sunny Morning Court, tucked away at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac in Hendersonville's prestigious Old Orchard community. This remarkable home offers the very best of Western North Carolina and is ideally located between downtown Hendersonville and the Chimney Rock Lake Lure area. Imagine waking each morning to the soft mist rising over the Blue Ridge Mountains and the peaceful stillness of mountain living while enjoying your morning coffee. In the evenings, they will bring plenty of relaxation and good memories on the expansive deck. Crafted from authentic Canadian lodgepole pine, this stunning residence blends rustic elegance with modern luxury. Inside, rich black walnut hardwood floors, soaring ceilings, massive exposed beams, and a dramatic wood-burning fireplace create an unforgettable first impression, while expansive windows frame breathtaking long-range mountain views. The thoughtfully designed floor plan includes a luxurious main-level primary suite, and there are private guest accommodations on the ground and 3rd floors. The layout provides a perfect atmosphere to make memories with family and friends, whether indoors or out. With high-efficiency upgrades, beautifully landscaped grounds, and timeless craftsmanship throughout, this is more than a home. It's a mountain lifestyle waiting to be experienced. I'm Frank Wood, real estate consultant at your service.